The much-anticipated launch of the James Webb Space Telescope is scheduled around 7:20 a.m. EST on December 25, 2021. And today in this video, we will try to answer some questions regarding Webb Telescope. But wait, when is the James Webb Space Telescope? So, let's start with this one. How did we get here? Are we alone in the universe? How does the universe work? The James Webb Space Telescope is NASA's ambitious scientific endeavor to answer these questions. The James Webb Space Telescope is the most advanced and most expensive telescope ever built. The James Webb Space Telescope is the next great space science observatory following Hubble, designed to answer outstanding questions about the universe and to make breakthrough discoveries in all fields of astronomy. Webb will study every stage of cosmic history, from water on our neighbor Mars to the most distant galaxies at the dawn of the universe. But most importantly, it will give more attention to some special subjects. Number 1. Webb observe farther into the universe than ever before. Number 2. It will be there to know about the beginning of everything. Search for the first stars and galaxies created after the Big Bang. Number 3. The life cycle of planets, stars, and galaxies. How they born and evolve over time. Number 4. It will search for life on other planets, alien, and try to answer whether we are alone in this universe. It is the largest space telescope ever built. The Sunshield dimensions are 21.2 by 14.2 meters, and the height of the entire observatory is 8 meters. To accurately and precisely detect faint infrared light from distant objects in the universe, Webb must be shielded from the strong infrared light emanating nearby from the Sun, Earth, and Moon. The Sunshield's 5 layers block the light from these nearby objects. Webb has 4 scientific instruments: the near-infrared camera, the near-infrared spectrograph, the near-infrared imager and slitless spectrograph, and the mid-infrared instrument. Each of these instruments uses infrared detectors to capture light from distant astronomical sources. While the Hubble telescope collects images in mostly ultraviolet light, James Webb will mostly take pictures in infrared, revealing more detail about the objects in those images unlike ever before. Infrared radiation cannot be seen with the human eye, though it is emitted by all matter other than dark matter. With infrared imaging, astronomers may be able to peek into extremely old galaxies owing to a process called redshifting, wherein light is stretched as it appears and disappears, leaving a red trail behind. With infrared, Webb will be able to capture extremely old galaxies that are currently being pushed farther away from Earth and becoming redder. That's how you look back in time. The Webb telescope is powered by an onboard solar array. It also has a propulsion system to maintain the observatory's orbit and attitude. The solar array provides 2,000 watts of electrical power for the life of the mission, and there is enough propellant on board for at least 10 years of science operations. Webb is designed to travel for about a month to reach its orbit at the second Sun-Earth Lagrange point. But for getting the first image from Webb, we have to wait approximately 6 months. While Hubble was only 547 kilometers away from Earth, the James Webb Telescope will be placed 1.5 million kilometers away from Earth, roughly 4 times the distance between the Earth and Moon. If anything were to go awry, humans would not be able to service James Webb, something engineers were able to do with Hubble. We have covered a lot about Webb Telescope, but still, there are so many questions that we haven't answered in this video. If you have any query, then you have full right to ask us in the comments section. If you like our work, then please like the video and subscribe the channel. May science bless you.